Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. How to solve this problem by using the Solidate software. The problem reads as a hexagonal pyramid, 25 mm size of base and 50 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its edges of the base, which is inclined to VP at 30 degrees. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP at 45 degrees. To do this, first we will go for the Solidate screen. Now this is the home screen of Solidate, wherein the default sheet size has been set for A2. Now I need to change this sheet size to A4. So to do that, take the cursor to the bottom left corner, then you right click on this and click on sheet setup and come down to background sheet. So here we have A2 size sheet. You come down to this combo box and click on A4, and I don't want to show the background, you disable it and say OK. Now the sheet size shrinks from A2 to A4, but the display is still set for A2 only. Now I need to set the display for A4. You just click on fit. So now we got the sheet. Now we want to enter the text. So that means I want to write the problem. So to do that, first I will go for annotation, which is text. Click on this. Come down to change the font name from Solidate ISO to Times New Roman, and now I will take the font size as 4 and press enter key and take the cursor here and click on any position. Now we will start writing the text. A hexagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its edges of the base, rests on HP on one of its edges of the base, which is inclined to VP at 30 degrees. By pressing the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key, 30 degrees to VP. Draw the projections of the pyramid. The projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP at 45 degrees. By pressing the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key. Then you just right click to cancel the command of text. Now I will go for sketching, go to move, disable copy. You select this and place it at the top left corner of your sheet. Now once you do that, now we need to start solving the problem. So here, now to do that, I will go to this, and here I need to start with the problem. To do that, first I will go for IntelliSketch, enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other options you make it disabled. So now we start writing the answer without looking into the solution which has been written by using the sketchbook. So to do that, so first I will take a line command, draw one horizontal line of any length. Okay. So here first I will go for a line command and go for 0.05 thickness. Okay, and draw a horizontal line of any length. Now I will going to mark the text here. Come down to text height as 3, and here you mark this as capital X, and here it is capital Y, and here it is VP, and here it is HP. So once you do that, now as we know, I want to start the problem from HP for 25 mm. So I will go for line. First we will going to keep, even though it has to be in the vertical position, first I will going to write the hexagon in the horizontal position. take any arbitrary point and click on the first button of the mouse and type 25. The angle is 6, angle is 0. Then 25, enter, angle is 60. Then 25, angle is 120. Then 25, angle is 180. Then 25, angle is 240. Then 25, angle is 300. Okay. Now once you do that, you got the hexagon. Then go to line, draw the diagonals from endpoint to this endpoint, right click. Similarly, from endpoint of this to endpoint of this, right click. From endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Now you make them as a group now. So you go to that, go to group, select this entire thing and make it as a group. Now you go to select this entire thing and make this as 0.5 because view length is always 0.5. Then go to move, rotate, disable copy, you select this, you take endpoint of this to endpoint of this and you make it in the vertical direction. Now we go to move, select this entire thing and move it here. Okay. Now we start writing the text here. So to do that, I will go for the text command and here I will put caps lock off, type A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F, and here it is O, and then it is O1 in bracket. Now we go for zoom window. Now you go to move, disable copy, you select A, then O, then O1, then B, C, D, then E, then F. Okay. Then go to fit. Then what is the height given? Height is 50 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as 50 mm. Select this horizontal line, right click and offset to the top side and then right click. Then go to line, take endpoint tool here. Similarly from this endpoint to take it out. Then from C you take it this. Then go to trim, trim this line, trim this line, trim this line. Now you come down to this point. Okay, then go to move, take X and keep it here, then VP, then HP. Now here go to text again, you type, put the caps lock off, sorry, A dash, then we have B dash, then we have C dash, then you have D dash in bracket, then you have E dash in bracket. Similarly, you have O1 dash in bracket, then we have F dash in bracket. So once you do that, go to move command, move this and place it appropriately wherever you want. A dash, then from here it is B dash, then E dash, then O1 dash, okay. Similarly C dash and then D dash. And in this case you have text and here you type O dash, okay. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this and move it here. Now you come down to the front view directly. So go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint and to this endpoint. Then go to select, remove this. Now you go to split this line till here. So that is the base. You split this line till here. Now you go to the select by holding the shift key. You select all these three and this line, and you make those lines should be of 0.5. That means the thickness of both front view and top view will always be equal to 0.5. Now once you do that, now we come down to zoom window. Okay. Now I will going to copy this entire thing. So to do that, I will go for a group command, select this line, this and this line completely and right click. Then go to move, enable copy, you select this and move it here. Since I don't want y displacement, so y displacement is 0 and place it wherever you want. Now once you do that, it is resting on one of its edges of the base and the axis is inclined to HP at 45 degrees. So to do that, I will go for rotate command, you select this, take this horizontal line and being rotated by an angle of 45 degree. Okay, then click it here. Now we have a line command, draw a line from here till here, which is the XY line. Now I need to copy all these things to the this side. So you go to move, enable copy, you select O dash and you keep it here. Then you select C dash and D dash. Similarly B dash, then E dash, then O1 dash. Okay. Similarly A dash. Okay. Then F dash. Now we have the second position, front view. Now to this I need to write the top view. How to do that? I'll go for a line command, draw a line from here and also from here. Both will have the same edges. So you project from here and also from here. Okay. So now I need to come down to this portion of your here, then go to move, disable copy, you select this and place it wherever you want. You take this C dash also and you keep it here. Okay. Now we go for a trim corner between these two and also between these two and you check for a trim command using this. Once you do that, now we need to come down to a line command, draw a line from end point. Similarly from here. Okay. Now we go for the line command, draw a line from intersection. Similarly go for a trim command, trim corner between these two. Okay. Now I need to write the projection of this. So you take this till here and now you take this till here. Okay. Then go to trim corner between this line and this line. Similarly from here to here. So once you do that, now I need to write the hexagon. So you go to intersection to this end point, 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 to this end point. Okay. Then you copy this till here and you copy this till here, intersection. Similarly, you go to line, you take end point of this to end point of this to end point of this. Now we have all the points. Now I need to split them. So to split them, you just take this split and cut it here. Then you take this line, you cut it here. Then you take this line, you cut it here. Similarly, this line you split it till here. Then you have this line and you split it till here. So now I need to name them. So to do that, I will go for move, enable copy. You take A and you keep it here. Then you take C, you keep it here. Then you take D, you keep it here. Then you take E, take it here. Then you take B, take it here. Then you take F, then you take O. Similarly O1 also. Okay. Now you go to split this line till here. Okay. Again you have everything split. Okay, now we apply the boundary conditions. So to do that, I'll go to select all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, so you make it 0.5. Okay, now the surface near to the observer is visible, so this line and this line you make it visible. As this edge becomes visible, therefore this becomes invisible, because now you select this, because two visible edges can never cross each other, so take hidden line. All the hidden edges will be of 0.35 mm thickness. So once you do that, now you come down to zoom window. Okay, now you select this line, because from a point, if one of the edges is invisible, automatically all the other edges passing through that point will become invisible. Take it as hidden and make it as 0.35. So this is how you will be able to write the second position top view. Similarly, you select this line and make this as the axis line. Now once you do that, now we will come down to this and you make this as a group now. So to do that, I will go for a group, select this and you select this as a group, select this line, this line, this line, this line, this and this. Similarly here and here and here. Then you make this as also a group. Once you do that, you right click. Now we go for move, enable copy. You select this entire thing and move it to the next position. You go to group, select this line, group, select this line. So select all the lines of this. Okay, select this, you select this, group it everything now. Okay, select this, yes, and you select this axis, right click. Now you go to move, enable copy, you select this entire thing and copy it to the next position. Okay, now once you do that, now we want to rotate this base edge by rotating at an angle of 30 degrees. So to do that, I will go for rotate, disable copy, select this, you take this edge, rotate by an angle of 60 because 30 to horizontal. Now you go for move, disable copy, you select this and bring it nearer. Once you do that, now you go to fit, go to zoom window. Now you need to copy this. How to do that? Go to move, enable copy, you select A and copy it here. Then you take B and you copy it here. Then you take C and copy that here. Similarly D, copy that here. Then you take E and copy that here. You take F, then you take O1. Now you take O. Okay. Now you go to zoom window. Now you go to draw a horizontal line from here and take a vertical projector from O. These two lines will going to intersect at this point. You take these two. Similarly, draw a horizontal projector from O1 and draw a vertical projector from O1 from the third position top view to get the point. Similarly, B dash. Now I will go for move command, disable copy. You select this and you take it out. O1 dash. Now you go to line command draw a line from end point. Similarly from E also. Okay. You take trim here, then go to trim corner between these two. Okay. Then go to line, draw a horizontal projector from both A dash and F dash, and similarly draw a vertical projector from here and also from here, and go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Okay. So now we left out with the base. You take D till here, then you take C till here. So go to trim these two. Okay, zoom window. Then go to line, draw a line from end point to here and to here. Similarly from here to here to here. Go to line, take end point to this end point, and you take to this end point to this end point. Similarly from end point of this to end point of this to end point of this, then take from end point till here. Similarly from this end point, okay, till here. Now we have all the points, so just I want to split it again. Go to split this line till here, and then you have the split option till here, then you have the split option till here. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this and keep it here. Now you go to split this, okay, split this line till here, okay, then use, okay, fine, all these points have been split. Now you go to text here, sorry, this is a mistake here, okay. So I'll go to line command, draw a line from end point to this, okay. Now we have a trim corner between these two now, okay. Once you do that, so you have all these edges, you have to remove it, okay, because that edge will automatically changes, okay. Now we will go for line command, draw a line from end point to this end point to this end point. Similarly from here to here and to the base of this, okay. Then similarly from end point of this to end point of this to end point of this, then from end point of this to end point of this. So now we have all the edges. So now we go for all the exterior edges. So before that I need to write the text. So to do that I will go for O dash. Similarly I want D dash here. If this is D dash, then this will going to become C dash. Then this will become B dash. Then you have A dash. Then you have F dash. Then you have E dash. Then you have O1 dash. Okay. Once you do that, now you go to fit. Then come down to zoom window. Then again go to move, disable copy. You select O dash. Then you select F dash. You take it A dash. Then E dash. Then D dash. Then O1 dash. Then C dash. Then B dash. So all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. Okay. Okay. Then you mark this as 0.5. Okay. The surface near to the observer is visible. This edge becomes visible. So make it 0.5. From a point, if only one of the edges is visible, automatically the other edge is also becomes visible. Okay. And two visible edges can never cross each other. That is this point and this can never become visible, so it will be hidden only. The hidden edges will be of 0.35 and this line will be the axis line, which is going to have the thickness of 0.05. Similarly, you select it on this, you select it on this, and you select it on this and make that as 0.13. Now we need to do for the dimensioning. So go to dimension style variables, select ISO, click on modify, come down to general, make everything black, okay, then come down to text and come down to Times New Roman and you take the font size as 3, go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen. Now then go to distance between this line and to this. So we have 50. Then you take between these two, which is 25. Then you come down to this. Okay. Then go to angle between this line between these two, that is the axis, which is at 45 degrees, and this line and this line will give you 30 degrees. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the solid edge software without looking into the solution book or the sketchbook. Thank you.